Good day, everyone. It's English time. For this week, let us talk about composing an effective paragraph. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to compose effective paragraph and distinguish parts of a paragraph. But before we proceed to our discussion, I have here a burger. Are you hungry? Do you want a burger? Do you know how to prepare a burger? Let us have our first activity. For your first activity, you are going to arrange the following procedures on how to prepare a burger. Put numbers 1 to 7 on the line provided before the sentence. Copy and answer. You may pause the video or look on your module to answer Week 5, Activity 1. Constructing a paragraph is like preparing a burger. Each part contributes to its overall taste. One has to carefully decide which part goes first and so on so as to make reading more satisfying to its readers. In this week's module, you will learn to identify the topic sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentence, as well as their importance for you to be able to understand paragraphs better. A paragraph is a group of sentences about one topic. It contains a topic sentence, supporting details, and sometimes a concluding sentence. The sentences follow one another from the beginning to the end of the paragraph. A paragraph is usually part of a longer piece of writing, such as a letter or an essay. Now let us look and analyze this given example. Terry Fox was a Canadian who suffered from bone cancer and raised awareness for cancer research by trying to run across Canada. He attracted a lot of attention by running the distance of a marathon daily on one prosthetic leg. He also challenged each Canadian citizen to contribute $1 for cancer research. Unfortunately, Fox was forced to end his run near Thunder Bay because of health complications. The CTV network organized a nationwide run to continue Fox's fundraising efforts. Clearly, Terry Fox had an impact on both cancer research and the millions of Canadians who participate in the Terry Fox Run every year. The first sentence that we have here is what we call as topic sentence. The next sentences are what we call as supporting sentences. And the last sentence is what we call as concluding sentence. Now let us look at each parts one by one. The topic sentence is usually the first sentence of the paragraph. It states the main idea of the paragraph. A good topic sentence tells the reader exactly what the rest of the paragraph will be about. The supporting sentences are the middle sentences of the paragraph. They provide details such as explanations or examples that expand or support the topic sentence. Supporting sentences are sometimes connected by transition words or phrases. The concluding sentence is sometimes used in longer paragraphs to sum up the ideas presented. It expresses the same idea as the topic sentence but in different words. It can start with a transition such as clearly or in conclusion. Imagine a paragraph as a hamburger. The top bun is the topic sentence. The bottom bun is the concluding sentence. And the ingredients between the two buns are the supporting details. So, to easily understand and memorize the parts of a paragraph, let us just look on this hamburger paragraph. The top bun is the topic sentence. This sentence tells the reader the main idea or what the paragraph will be about. Next, the ingredients. We have here the supporting sentences. We may have supporting sentence 1, 2, and 3. For supporting sentence 1, this sentence gives specific details relating to the main idea. Supporting sentence 2 is the sentence that gives another specific detail relating to the main idea. And the supporting sentence 3, this sentence gives more specific details relating to the main idea. And lastly, the bottom bun is the concluding sentence. This sentence refers to the topic sentence and sums up the main idea of the paragraph. So, the format in order is introduction, body, and conclusion. For the introduction, we are going to have our topic sentence. You may ask yourself, how can you draw your readers in? How to get your main information? What is the main point of your paper? That is, what is the answer to the question your paper explores? For the body, we have here supporting sentences 1, 2, and 3. What is your first main piece of information? Support the main piece of information with details. What about your second main piece of information? Support the main piece of information with details as well. And lastly, what is your last main piece of information? Support the main piece of information with details. And for the last part, which is the conclusion, we have here the concluding sentence. General statement about your main point. Briefly restate in a sentence or two your big ideas, and restate or reword your thesis statement from your introduction. And the paragraph with a statement about what everything you wrote means. Now let us try to analyze and answer Week 5 Learning Task 3. On the next slide, I'm going to present 5 sentences. These sentences are from a scrambled paragraph. Match each sentences with its purpose. Write the letter of the correct answer on your notebooks. Answers only. Again, just kindly write the letter of the correct answer. Whether the sentence is A. Topic sentence, B. Supporting details 1, C. Supporting details 2, D. Supporting details 3, or E. Concluding sentence. And for your last task, let us have Week 5 assessment. Read the following statements and identify whether they are true or false. Answers only. You may pause the video to answer Week 5 assessment. Again, you are just going to write true or false. To summarize this week's topic, we talked about composing an effective paragraph. We imagined a paragraph as a hamburger and analyzed each parts of it. We talked about the topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentence. Again, when we say topic sentence, it is usually placed in the introduction. This sentence states the main idea of the paragraph and it also shows what the whole paragraph is about. While the supporting sentences can be found in the body. They are used to develop the topic sentence. They give more information about the topic sentence, and these sentences give facts, statistics, details, or examples. And a concluding sentence usually restates the topic sentence in different words or summarize the main points of the paragraph. If you have questions, feel free to ask. That's all for today. Goodbye, class.